Action.
Please excuse this public service announcement. The seasonal times in which these constellations or signs using all 12 months of the year, and legend has it, every zodiac has its own attitude and or mood. To you, Renaya.
All zodiac signs have corresponding elements and figures for which are named or by Greek mythology. The ancient Greeks have certain beliefs and stories that they cast upon stars. So, almost all constellations are created by the Greeks. Back to you, Naomi.
Hello there. All of the constellations were either based on an animal or a figure. And those animals / figures are. The Virgo was based off of the Natalie. Libra was based off of the Asher. Scorpio was based off the Dan. Sagittarius based off of the Gad. Capricorn, Simeon. Aquarius, Reuben. Pisces, Levi. Aries, Zebulun. Taurus, Joseph. Gemini, Benjamin. Cancer, Judah, and the Leo. It's on the right. And that concludes our daily list of news.
Thank you for our public service announcement.
Deuce.
Thank you.
And that's a wrap.